Welcome to Study Loop.
The criteria for recognizing the benefits of an uncertain tax position are based on the guidance provided by ASC 74010, Income Taxes Overall. According to ASC 74010, an entity should recognize the financial statement benefit of a tax position only if it's more likely than not, meaning that it's more than 50%. That the position will be sustained upon examination by the tax authorities based on the technical merits of the position. The more likely than not threshold is met when the entity has sufficient support and documentation for its tax position, and it is probable that the tax authorities would accept the position upon examination. If a tax position does not meet the more likely than not threshold, the associated tax benefits should not be recognized in the financial statements. In the given case, the criteria for recognizing the benefits of an uncertain tax position can be summarized as follows. The tax position must meet the more likely than not recognition threshold based on the technical merits of the position. The entity must have sufficient support and documentation for its tax position. And it should be probable that the tax authorities would accept the position upon examination. For example, in the case of 3D printing ink, UTP 4 and UTP 5 met the more likely than not recognition threshold. And the company recognized 65% and 70% of the tax benefits in the financial statements. Not 75, 70. On the other hand, UTP 1, 2, and 3 did not meet the recognition threshold. And no tax benefits were recognized for these positions in the financial statements.